Unraveling Idioms. What does fair shake really mean? Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. Fair shake. Have you ever wondered what it means and how to use it in your daily English? If you're eager to add another expression to your English toolkit, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together. Fair shake is an idiom in the English language, which means to give someone a fair chance or opportunity. When we say that someone deserves a fair shake, we're saying that they should be given an unbiased assessment or an opportunity to prove themselves without any prejudice. It's all about fairness and equal treatment. The term fair shake has its roots in American English, and it's believed to have come from the world of gambling or business, where shaking dice is a common practice. A fair shake in gambling meant that the dice were rolled in a way that was not rigged or biased. Over time, this phrase transcended beyond gaming, becoming a metaphor for any honest deal or opportunity. Now, let's see how to use fair shake in some sentences. All I'm asking for is a fair shake at the interview to show them what I can do. Despite his rough background, he deserves a fair shake to prove himself at this job. The players believe that the new coach will give everyone a fair shake. Notice that when we use the phrase, it's often about giving someone a chance they may not have had before. Understanding the cultural context of fair shake is important for English learners. It reflects a value deeply rooted in many English-speaking societies, the importance of fairness and equality. Using this phrase correctly shows not only your grasp of English idioms but also an understanding of the values behind the words. And there you have it. You now know what a fair shake is all about. It's a useful phrase that conveys fairness and opportunity, and I hope you'll feel confident using it in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and remember, everyone deserves a fair shake at learning English. So keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.